Hey you guys, it's Marianne one more time. Anyways, here's a little lesson on details and specifics. So it's actually kind of elementary, but who cares? All right. So when you have your writing, you want to be specific in detailed because you just want your reader to latch on to some stuff that they can relate to and maybe even have an image. So if you say museum, yeah, that's okay, but Henry Ford Museum is better, or some other specific museum. Arab American Museum, African American Museum, Holocaust Museum, whatever. Girl, yeah, well, that's fine, but let's give an actual name, like Nicole. How about a boy? Okay, so we have a boy whose name is Francis. The girl name is usually spelled C-E-S. School, Mott Community College, Lansing Community College, whatever college. Town, Chesaning. Hey, a book, Diary of a Wimpy Kid. So instead of saying book, just, I think you get the idea. Just instead of bland, boring, general words or nouns or verbs, do something more specific, absolutely specific. So hopefully this helps. And anyways, hope you have a great day.